Hey you guys, welcome to Cocktails in the Jungle, a series on how to make cocktails in your own home. Today we are going to make the Italian classic, the Negroni. So the Negroni's been around for about 100 years, so the recipe's been tweaked a lot, but today you're going to learn how to make it the old-fashioned traditional way, which means that it is stirred, not shaken, and it's in an old-fashioned glass like this and served with an orange peel. So to make a Negroni, you're gonna need a neutral gin, so nothing that's heavily flavored, Campari and sweet vermouth, and you'll also need an orange and of course plenty of ice. So for equipment, make sure you have a mixing glass, a strainer, a stir stick, an old-fashioned glass, a peeler, and a jigger. So to make a Negroni, it's equal parts gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth. You take 1 shot of gin, 1 shot of Campari, and 1 shot of red vermouth. You fill the glass with ice cubes and you stir for about 45 seconds. Then, with a strainer, you pour the contents into a chilled old-fashioned glass and make sure that you have already got either a couple of large ice cubes in your glass or one of those large glass balls. And then you can either use a peeler or use a knife, and in this case I'm using a knife, and you trim off a slice of orange peel. You twist it above the drink so that it delivers this fine mist of orange essence, and then you just dunk it in. And you can also wish to rub it along the edges of the glass too, but the idea is just to get a hint of the citrus, so when you raise the glass to your mouth, you can just get that burst of citrus scent before you take a sip. And there you have it, the classic Negroni. So thanks for watching today's episode. Now you know how to make this cocktail. And if you like what you saw, feel free to press the like button, or better yet, subscribe. And for future cocktail videos, if there's something that's on your list that you'd like me to make, leave me an idea or comment in the comment box below. Until next time,